Most people think crypto is confusing, risky, or just for tech nerds. But what if I told you there are real websites that pay you in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other crypto just for doing super simple tasks? No investing, no trading, no tech skills required. I'm talking about watching videos, clicking ads, filling out surveys, trying new apps, even searching the web. These sites pay you real crypto, not points, not coupons, actual digital assets. It's not fully passive, but it's a legit side hustle you can do from your phone or laptop. Let me show you 3 websites I've personally used, how to get started, and how much you can actually earn. Chapter 1, Cointiply. Watch, click, earn Bitcoin. Cointiply has been around since 2018 and has already paid millions to users. You can earn by watching short ads or videos, playing simple games, answering survey questions, testing apps, or just clicking a button once an hour. Getting started is easy. Sign up for free at cointiply.com, log in, and pick a task. Earn coins, which can be converted into real Bitcoin or Dogecoin. Once you've earned about $5 worth, you can cash out via Coinbase or Faucet Pay. Earnings? If you spend 30 to 60 minutes a day, you could make $5 to $10 per week. Stay consistent and hit $50 to $100 a month. Pro tip: focus on high-paying tasks like surveys or apps, claim your free coins every hour, and refer friends. You'll earn 25% of what they make forever. Want to earn crypto without lifting a finger? If you're already spending money on food, gas, or rent, you could be stacking Bitcoin or Ethereum with every swipe. The Gemini credit card gives you up to 3% back in crypto, with no annual fee, no waiting period, and your choice of over 60 different coins. Sign up with our referral link and get a $50 Bitcoin bonus after your first statement period. Tap the link in the description. It takes 2 minutes to apply. Chapter 2, Presearch. Get paid to search the web. Presearch is a privacy-focused search engine that pays you in crypto every time you search, just like you already do with Google. Here's how it works. Sign up at presearch.org. Set it as your default browser or mobile search engine. Earn PRE tokens just by using it. You can earn about 3 PRE tokens per day. Max 30 searches. That's around 90 a month. Once you hit 1,000 tokens, you can cash out via Qcoin or another exchange. Pro tip: use Presearch on both your phone and desktop. Just don't spam. Only genuine searches count. Chapter 3, Galxe. Earn by doing Web3 quests. Galxe, formerly Project Galxe, rewards you with tokens and NFTs for completing small missions, called quests, designed to help Web3 projects grow. Tasks include joining Discord or Telegram, following projects on Twitter, testing apps or minting NFTs, verifying wallet activity. To get started, go to Galxe.com. Connect your wallet, MetaMask works great, choose a quest, and follow the steps. Some quests reward you instantly, while others qualify you for future airdrop tokens worth $50, $500, even $1,000 plus. Pro tip: prioritize quests from well-known or hyped-up projects without tokens yet. These tend to offer the biggest rewards later on. Recap: 3 crypto sites that actually pay. Let's run it back. Cointiply. Watch content, do surveys, and earn BTC. Presearch. Search the web and earn PRE tokens. Galxe. Complete quests and qualify for massive airdrops. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but they do work. And they're perfect for crypto beginners. And if you're serious about stacking crypto long-term, don't forget about the Gemini credit card. Links in the description. It's one of the easiest passive crypto rewards out there. If this video gave you new ideas to earn free crypto, hit that like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if you want more low-risk ways to make money in crypto, subscribe to Xupra Capital right now. Stay smart, stay early. This is Xupra Capital,